Hello students, today we are going to learn about position words. आज हम position word के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. ठीक, तो सबसे पहले तो हमें पता होना चाहिए what are the position words. Okay, the position words are the words which show where the person, the thing or the animal is. Position words ऐसे words होते हैं जो हमें बताएं कि कोई व्यक्ति या कोई एनिमल या कोई चीज या कोई थिंग या कोई वस्तु किस जगह पर है. ये जो वर्ड्स बताते हैं उन्हें हम पोजीशन वर्ड कहते हैं. ठीक है, उसे प्रीपोजिशन भी कहा जाता है. एंड देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ प्रीपोजिशन यूज्ड. बहुत सारे प्रीपोजिशन यूज होते हैं जैसे इन, ऑन, इनटू, अबाउ, अंडर, बिलो, अक्रॉस, बिसाइड. बट नाउ यू आर किड्स, so you have to learn only few words. अभी आप छोटे हो और इसलिए आपको अभी बस थोड़े से वर्ड से इंट्रोडक्ट हम करा रहे हैं. ओके, the first word we are going to learn, the first position word is on. Okay, on. Let's see with example. Okay, here I have this box. I'm putting this box here on the paper. The box is on the paper. पेपर पर है. ठीक है, जो on वर्ड यूज हुआ है ये इस बॉक्स की पोजीशन बता रहा है कि ये बॉक्स कहाँ है. Where the box is? The box is on the paper. Here I have a sharpener. Okay, now see. Now what is the position of this sharpener? The sharpener is on the box. Okay, the sharpener is on the box. On, this on word shows the position of the sharpener. Okay, so this word is called a position word, or we may call it as a preposition. Okay, this is a preposition. It's a position word. Okay, let's see another example. See, here I have a color box. Okay, now I am putting this color box here. What can we say? What is the position of this color box? This color box is on the paper. Okay, this color box is on the paper. Now I have a pen. Okay, sketch pen. I am putting this pen here. And what can we say about the position of this pen? अब इस पेन के पोजीशन के बारे में हम क्या कह सकते हैं? The sketch pen is on the box. The sketch pen is on the box. Okay, now I think the word on, the position word on is clear to you all. मुझे लग रहा है अब आप लोग on का बहुत अच्छे से यूज कर सकते हो ना. Okay, now let's see another word. The another position word is in. Okay, now let's see with examples. Okay, here I have a box and there are pins in the box. Okay, now what is the position of this pins? अब इन pins की क्या position है? Where are the pins? The pins are in the box. Okay, ये pins जो है box के अंदर है. In the box, not on the box. हम on the box कहेंगे तो wrong हो जाएगा, है ना, क्योंकि box के ऊपर है, pin नहीं है. What is the position then? Position can say that pins are in the box. Okay, not on the box. They are in the box. Okay, now let's see another example. See, here I have a glass and there are some things in the glass. Now what can we say? Where is this pencil or pens? These are in the glass. Okay, glass के अंदर है. Pen and pencils are in the glass. Okay, what is the position of these three? These three are in the glass. Okay, let's see another position word. Another position word is near. Okay, we are going to see another position word, near. Let's see with example. Here I have a paperweight and I am putting this paperweight here, and again we'll take this pin box, and this pin box I am keeping this pin box here. Then what is the position of this pin box? It is near the paperweight. ये paperweight के पास है. ठीक है, हम नहीं कहेंगे कि it is on the paperweight or it is in the paperweight. What is the position of this pin box? It is near the paperweight or this paperweight is near this pin box. ऐसे भी हम कह सकते हैं paperweight is near the pin box. अगर हमें paperweight की position पूछी तो paperweight is near the pin box और अगर pin box की position पूछी है तो pin box is near the paperweight. Okay. Let's see some more example. This cat is on the box. Okay. On. Then this cat is in the box. Then this cat is near the box. Okay. Now see, circle in, on, in or near to tell where the animal is in each picture. Now we have to see this picture and circle the correct position word. See this. On the shoe, no. In the shoe, no. It's near. So we will circle this near word. Then here this animal is on the shoe, है ना? In the shoe तो नहीं है, near भी नहीं है. It's on. Okay. Then here it's in. So circle in. Then see the next. This frog is in the river, है ना? Okay. Then on the rock. ऊपर है ना? Near the river. So like this. Okay. Now see. This is jar and this is honeybee. It's in, on, near. Tell. Yes, it's near. Then it's in. And it's on. Okay.